So get it all over. Again, get a paper towel if you want to do that. But hey, this is really good for your skin, I think. And man, don't use margarine. Don't use margarine. You see the recipe, it says butter, right? Oh, the people that use margarine, it drives me nuts. Margarine is not healthy for you. Look at the list of ingredients on there, right? It's a mile long. You can't even pronounce half of them, and you're putting that stuff in your body. Don't do that. Butter is better. Look at the ingredient list. It's cream, salt, and may contain color. That's it. So 2 or 3 ingredients tops. But you know what? Everything in moderation. You're not eating cups of butter or cups of margarine. So make that switch to something a little bit more natural, and your body will thank you for it. And don't believe the marketing on it. Somebody buys the margarine because it has a little heart healthy symbol on there. Oh my goodness, give me a break. Look at the ingredients. The ingredients are going to tell you what's in there. All right, so nice and buttered. Great, we are done.